All right, example 1. Oops, sorry, I have a typo. You don't, your slide is fine. But we're gonna find the mean and we're gonna find the range, okay? So let's do the mean first, which is the average. So we need to add all these numbers together. And I'll just do the math in my head that I can. So 5 and 12 make 17. 13 and 11 make 24. 11 and 8 make 19. 16 and 13 make 29. And then we have another 19. So I need to add these together. I know 9 times 3 is 27. And then 31, 38. Bring this 3 over. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 108. And we need to divide it by how many numbers there are in this set. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's a math fact, right? 9 goes into 108 12 times. 9 times 12 is 108, but if you didn't know that, 9 goes in once. You subtract it, bring down the 8. 9 goes into 18 twice. So the mean is 12. Now the range is much easier. The range is just take the largest number, which is 19, subtract the smallest number, which is 5, and you get the range, which is 14. Now you are allowed to use calculators, so please don't try to do this in your head or do this manually and mess up. Go ahead and use a calculator to add everything up. For me, I was able to do most of the math in my head, but I do math all day, every day, right? So use a calculator just to make sure you don't make any silly mistakes. Example 2, again, sorry, my slide is messed up, yours is not. We are finding the mean and the range. So let's start by adding these together. All right, so we have 10 and 10, which make 20. We have 6 and 15, which make 21. We have 19 and 7, which make 26. And then we have 17 and 16. I couldn't do those quickly in my head. So let's add these up. So 6 and 6 is 12, 13, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 100. And we're dividing by how many numbers we added together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 100 divided by 8. So you can use a calculator, but 8 goes into 10 once. And 8 goes into 20 twice. And 8 goes into 45. So the mean, the average, is 12.5. The range is the easy one. We're going to take the biggest number here, which is 19, and we're going to subtract the smallest number here, which is 6, to give us our range, which is 13. Okay, so sometimes the mean is a decimal. Sometimes it's just a regular old whole number. Use a calculator, please, because there's no redos. But this is it. It's time for your exit ticket, and you are done.